everybody, welcome back to my channel and thank you for watching another one of my grocery shopping haul videos. Hello people, it is I, back again for another grocery haul share video. How's everyone doing? Hope y'all doing great. Hope you're going to have a great Easter. Yes, and I want to welcome any new subscribers and welcome back all my great supporters that have continued to support me since day one. Please. Oh my God. And he still wants to be in this video, I see. But anyway, nope, I'm not starting over. This is what's going on. What's going on? Okay, everybody, all I'm on here for is to tell you about this great grocery haul. It's a small one, but it has some stuff that's great in it. Anyway, as y'all can see, we got some Gordon's crispy battered whole fillets, not minced, it said. And anyway, because I'm gonna make him a snack. Today we didn't do Fish Friday, so he gonna do Fish Friday today. We also have some little bites. Them things sweet and they got so much sugar in them. Children must be going crazy when y'all feed y'all kids these things. They about 4 little tiny, like a dang quarter and a half size, quarter size, something like that, or the size of a quarter, and they are packed with sugar. Anyway, that's a sweet, sweet treat. Them little bites. 20 pouches in the bag in this box they're by Intimans. Got them from Sam's Club. But anyway, okay, and I got this Sunbeam I've been looking for, my 3-minute wooden egg timer, which yeah, it's great to have. We got some Ore-Ida crinkle cut french fries that's gonna be with the fish fry tonight, and got some French rolls for tonight's dinner if we want it, and also they're gonna be used for pulled pork roast we're gonna have for Easter Sunday. So we having pulled pork roast, probably a potato salad, and okay y'all, I'm back. I forgot to put some items up here. Also, I got some of this apricot by Tropical apricot pineapple preserves. And it says no high fructose corn syrup, but use sparingly. And also I have some organic freeze dried dill, which I use in my potato salads, in my cold salads. That require mayonnaise and all that stuff on it. But anyway, also, what was I saying to y'all? I forgot. Anyway, you can see back there I got my gang flings. Got this from Sam's Club, 132 pack. You toss one in, it has a booster, I guess, for stains, and Febreze for odors. Gain is some good washing powder. I like Gain. Also have some sharp cheddar cheese in case I want a macaroni and cheese for Easter Sunday. Oh, that's what I was saying to y'all. I was telling y'all about the dinner. We're going to have pulled pork. Well, I'm going to pull the pork apart. And I'm going to show you a kitchen gadget that I'm going to use to pull it apart. And that's going to be in one of my cooking with these gadgets videos. Y'all know what's up. And I'm going to share that with you. And also, I don't know why I'm sharing this other ice cream scooper thing I have. I might have showed y'all this. But anyway, yeah. But I showed y'all the sharp cheddar cheese. And also, I had got some more ketchup from Sam's Club. It was 3 of them big old bottles. The 2-pound 12-ounce bottles, you know, that 3 set they come in. They were on sale for $5. That ended on the 28th. That sale ended on the 28th. But yeah, this is my small grocery haul. But I hope y'all still watching the George Floyd not the George Floyd trial, the trial. I don't even want to say that man's name, but his name is Derek Travis. He on trial for the murder of George Floyd, and it's been so emotional. It's been crazy, devastating, crying all this and everything, because it's just so sad. But yeah, y'all been watching. Let me know in the comments. Shout out to Phyllis Phyllis, I went over there and watched your gardening video today. Great job. Can't wait to see your updates. And to my, let me see how many gardening friends I have. I have 5 gardening friends, I believe, that regularly come, or they come and check and see faithfully. Their names are, watch me mess up. It's Sushy. I'm probably messing her name up. Sushy has a balcony garden like me. And Renee's garden. Antoinette Davis. That's the name of her channel. Antoinette Davis, Renee garden. Sushy. I know I got to put their names down in this video. And now it's Phyllis. I got to put her name down because she said she just started her garden. It's beautiful. She's saying she's about to grow her some watermelon. I can't wait to see that. And also, let me see, how many is that? Phyllis, Sushy, Renee, Antoinette. Oh yeah, and Cheryl. Around the, don't know why I can't remember Cheryl saying around the house with Cheryl. Watch, I'm messing that all up. But anyway, she has a beautiful big old garden too. These are the folks that come regularly, my garden people that come regularly. Oh, shout out to Fan 1.0. He getting ready to do his videos about his garden too. I'm sorry, that's 6. Oh, it got to be 7 because I forgot about Irene. She has a Parma suit. Let me shut up. I just put their names in a dang video. I guess I might got 7, 8 people, probably 9. But I'm probably not saying everyone's name. But these are the people that do come by. And some of them, yes, they do have really large, amazing gardens. And they're not afraid of little people like me with these little balcony gardens. They'll still come and visit and holler at folks. Yes, yes, yes. And I appreciate it. But anyway, hope y'all watching that George Floyd, the Derek Chavis trial for the murder of George Floyd. Say his name, y'all. And oh, I just want to tell y'all, I'm not gonna put on my videos no more about just sounding like reading like I'm saying all white folks are evil and hateful and mean, which I do know they're not all, because I told y'all in a previous video that I do have white people in my family, quite a few different races in my family. So, no, Janita's not prejudiced, but Janita will state the facts about what some hateful, evil white folks can and will do and have been doing. So, yeah. So, thanks y'all for watching this video. And hopefully soon I'm going to have my video about my beautiful hats that I finished creating. And I got to set up my little stage for them so I can show y'all. If y'all, any of y'all interested in any of my caps or my hats or whatever some y'all want me to make, let me know, because my email address is on my channel where it says about. When you click on about, I have my email address, and you can let me know if you want interested in any of my products. And let me see what else I'm trying to say. That's all I can think about what I'm saying right now. Anyway, so pretty soon I'm just gonna be sharing with y'all the hats that I created in spring pastel colors. The few that I have made, because it took me some time to do that design that I have on them. Alright, well anyway, thank y'all for watching. Until the next video, talk to y'all later. Bye. I hope this grocery haul was a pleasure to watch, and I hope it helped you guys remember something that you might have forgot to get from the store. Once again, thanks for watching.